Hi everyone, I'm here today because I went shopping on Taperlogy. After seeing everyone's videos, I kind of followed Shabbydabbydoodah, and I didn't get everything she got, but I did buy some things. So this is my box that I got. So I'm just going to move it over to the side somewhere here, and they sent a really nice thank you card. It's Taperlogy. So I got these exotic flowers. I believe that they're stickers. They're so cute. I didn't want to take everything out of the package because I wouldn't have been able to tell you what it was. So, yes. Oh, I don't know. Maybe they're rub-ons? Hang on a second. Does it even say? No, it doesn't say. So I'm not sure. No, they're not rub-ons. I don't think they are. Let's see. I have a problem with stickers. That's what they are. They're a sticker. See? Yeah. Oh, those are cute. Very cute. So I'll just stick these real quick back in here. So I'm assuming if those are stickers, then these are probably stickers too. They're stamps though, and I love them. I like the gold on them. I think these are going to be really nice for like Christmas time. Sorry, I'm trying to for you not to get the glare. I think they'll be great for Christmas time. And they want to stick going back in, so I'll do what Gail does. She just bends it over and they seem to go in a whole bunch better. I think, well, for her they do. For me, they may not. So, okay. So then, I don't know. It says instructions for rub-ons, but I'm not sure this is the rub-on collection. Butterfly. Well, let's see. I think these are stickers. I think they are. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, they feel different. Yeah, they're a sticker. So I haven't found the rub-ons yet, but I'm excited. And there's lots of butterflies in here. Just lots and lots and lots. And I love them. So then I got this little package. And I already know it's a stamp. Because I liked it and I wanted it. And I'm trying to save the bag. Well, maybe I don't need to because it's foil inside. It's very strong. Yes, that's what it looks like. U.S. postage, 11-cent Liberty. I like it. I'm just going to grab the little things. I'm not sure what this is, but I love their packaging. Everything is done really, really nicely. Oh, how nice is that? Their packaging is just exquisite. If you knew how to get into it. I didn't have to do a video for Taperlogy because they didn't send me anything for free. I paid for all of this myself. You lucky girls that got it for free. I think it was great though. Oh, look at that. There's just lots and lots and lots of different labels. I just like it so much. Just lots and lots of them. I'm not sure what these are. Oh, maybe you use a smaller something that goes on top of this. I'm not sure. Oh, you could. I think it's just made that way, that you could add your own little whatever on there. Don't you think they're just adorable? So many choices. And for tiny things, it's nice to have tiny things. I'm always looking for a little something to add, you know, to a dangle or to, you know. Oh, there's really small ones in here, so those are nice too. Anyways, that's the labels. Let's see if I can get them all put back in there. And try to stay on camera. Okay. And this is a round trip ticket. I don't know. Oh. Oh, I love these. They look like they're coffee dyed or tea dyed already. You know, you can see them on video, but when you feel them in person, they're like old paper is what they feel like. It's just amazing. I wish we could find paper like that to print on, like, you know. If anyone knows of paper that's like that to print on, please let me know. Aren't these beautiful? I mean, I saw Tina show all hers, and you just don't know until you actually feel them. They're just amazing. Isn't that just something? And there's so many. Oh, I can't wait to use these. And some dyed doilies. Well, isn't that ever lovely? I'm just really liking that. And this one, I'm not sure. I'm just going to try and scooch this off the side. I've had this for quite some time sitting on my desk. I've been busy doing other things. And I just didn't get a chance to get to this. I think it's back here. I don't know. Where is it? Oh, here. Okay. Oh my, it's in the front. And I just really don't want to, oh, I'll take them off the sides. Sorry, guys. Just want to, you know what we're like. We keep everything. What the heck? I got into it finally. Oh, it's Christmas stuff that they're sending. Packaging. My goodness, look at all this. Look at all this. Oh, wow. Look at all these. And they feel so great. It's just, it feels really good. They feel like good, fabulous quality. I like it a lot. There's an awful lot of ephemera in here. Oh my, look at that. Oh. And then there's all these. I'll see if I can fan them out and show you kind of quick. Lots of choices of papers. I like it. And then we've got all these, I guess they're vellum. No, is it vellum? They're nice though, like very nice. I don't know if that shows up. Does that show up? I think it does on my mat. So I'll just put a few down here now and again. They're flowers. That one's nice too. Number 6. I don't know if it's the right, yeah, that's the right way. There's an awful lot to choose from, that's for sure. Wow. What does that look like? I think the white ones are nicer. The clear white with the white. Tuesday. Oh yes. I like those too. I'll see how I can use these though. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how a person would glue them down, or if maybe they're the rub-ons. I haven't found the rub-ons yet. So, then these are beautiful. I love these. I can use these every single day, I'm sure. They're so nice. And then there's even more. And I think, I don't know, are these rub-ons? Maybe. I'm not sure. I haven't found the rub-ons yet. Might be them. No, I've got them in my box still, so we'll get to them. So there's, oh my goodness, the papers you get, amazing. Like it just goes on and on and on. Yeah. Lots and lots of papers. Those are bigger. These are about the same size. Oh, I'm right out of frame. Sorry. Some white vellum, I think. Yeah. Very nice. I'm liking them all, really. It'd be hard to choose, like what you're going to use. I don't know if I showed the bigger ones. Mail order card. Yeah, there's lots. It's a lot of advertisements. That's great. It's just everything I've received has been awesome. I just have to pick some up off the floor. Dropped some. These little things are slippery. So, if everyone's doing well. And then there's that one. And I'm sure these are the rub-ons. So, you get quite a few. And I have fingernails. Wow. I don't know if they're all the same, if they're different. I think they're different. So you got leaves. Just let me lift you up a little bit. At least you won't be so far away, or so close, I mean. There's that one and that one. Wow, there's a lot in here. I haven't had rub-ons in years. Aside, there's the instructions for rub-ons, and then I've got one more package that I got. And again, like I say, I bought these myself. They weren't sent to me. Isn't that cute? I'm just going to take a few out. They look like they're all tickets. Tickets of some sort. So there's those and those. Yeah, it looks like it's mostly tickets. Well, I'm just gonna have a heyday with all of this. Bigger ones, not sure how I'll use those ones, but, and then they feel like, almost like stickers, and I think that's great if they are. I'm pretty sure they are. I'm positive they are. Anyways, these are all stickers. That isn't, but those are. And then there's even more stickers or tickets and different kinds of tickets, and it's just, isn't that great? Whoops. Taxi tickets. Some things I've never even heard of, and these are great. I think they're all great. Anyways, that's my big buy, probably for the next 3 months, because I spent quite a bit of money there. Anyways, thank you for the code, Tina. Anyways, that's Taperlogy, and I hope you enjoyed this. I'll put Taperlogy, I think it's just taperlogy.com. I'll double check though. Anyways, talk to you soon. Bye now.